Okay, alternating lunges. The thing with this exercise, I'm going to make you step backward, okay? Most people, they step forward, no good. It puts pressure in your knee right away. Now, let's take an angle so you show them nicely. The first thing we're going to do is line up our feet. So hip, knee, ankle all lined up, shoulders back and down, chest up. Put your hands over here. That'll make you most likely keep your chest up. Go ahead and look nice and straight. Take a nice long step back. Not too long, because then you can rip something in this area. No good. Okay? Now drive that back knee down towards the floor. Notice how she's on her toes in the back foot, and on the front foot she's going to push with her heel. Go ahead and bring that foot back here now. They meet each other. Now go back again. Push with that heel. Good. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. So here we go. Breathe in, push with the heel, blow out on the way up. Hands are up, chest is up. She's breathing in on the way down, blowing out on the way up. Her feet are perfectly straight. Her head is nice and straight. We're working those legs nice and hard. Now she's going to show you a few more times, and really look closely on the footwork and how it works before you do it.